مديرية التربية والتعليم بالغربية، إدارة غرب المحلة التعليمية، مدرسة الشهيد محمد الدرة الرسمية للغات.
Good morning everybody. Today we are going to start our math period about multiplying fraction. About what? Multiplying fraction. As we know here, fraction consists of fraction, numerator and denominator. Fraction consists of numerator and denominator. Today we are going to multiply fraction. So here you have to multiply both of numerator together. 3 times 5 supposed to be 15, and 4 times 7 is equal to 28. Let's turn to next one. 5 times 5 supposed to be 25, and 6 times 7 supposed to be 42. The third one here, also we have two fractions. We need to multiply them. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 9 times 3 equal to what? Equal to 27, as we know. Equation number 4, we have here also two fractions. 2/3 times 5/7. 2/3 times 5/7. We multiply also both of numerator together. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 3 times 7 is equal to what? 21. Let's start the second equation. The first equation was easy because of what? Because when we have 2/3 times quarter, here according to this one, we multiply both of numerator together. 2 times 1 is equal to 2, and 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 1 times 2, 2, 3 times 4 equal to 12. Here we have something like 1/8 times 2/3. Here we have a common factor. We have a common factor between numerator and denominator. We have a common factor between numerator and denominator. What is the common factor between numerator and denominator? Both of them can be divisible by 2. So let's do this one. 2 divided 2, 1. 8 divided 2, 4. Here 1 and 3 doesn't have. So you multiply both of numerator together. 1 times 1 supposed to be 1. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So according to this one, we have to cancel the common factor between numerator and denominator to avoid the simplifying at the end of the operation. Here we have a common factor between numerator and denominator, which is 3 and 9. Both of them can be divisible by 3. Let's see. 3 divided 3, 1. 9 divided 3 is 3. Also 2 and 14. 2 and 14, both of them can be divisible by 2. Let's divide. 2 divided 2, 1. 14 divided 2, 7. So now we finished. So you have to multiply. Let's complete our study about multiplying fraction. Here we have the third kind. The third kind here, we don't have fraction only, we have also mixed number. We have what? We have a mixed number. What is the meaning of mixed number? Mixed number, the number consists of both of fraction and whole number. Here we have a problem. So we have to solve this one. This one we have to convert it to fraction. To convert it to fraction, as we know here, write the same denominator, which is 2. Then multiply 5 times 2. You multiply them together, and the result is supposed to add it to the numerator. 5 times 2, 10. 10 times 1 is 11. Here, this is a fraction, so you keep it the same. Before you multiply 2 times 11, 5 times 2, check if you have a common factor. Yes, here I have a common factor. 2 and 2, the same number. You can divide by itself. Divide 2, 1, divide 2, 1. 1 times 11, 11. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. The second one. Here's fraction. Keep it the same. Here's mixed number. As we did before, you have to convert it to fraction. Write to the same. Multiply 7 by 2, 14, and then add to 1. 7 times 2, 14, plus 1 is 15. Here we have try the same one, 4/5, and convert mixed number to fraction. Right? Do the same. 12 times 2, 24, plus 1, 25. As we know here, we have to cancel common factor between numerator and denominator. 5 and 15, both of them divided by 5. Divide 5, 1, divide 5 is equal to 5. 2 and 4, both of them divisible by 2. Divide 2, 1, divide 2, 2. Supposed to be 2 times 5, 10. 1 times 1 equal 1. 10 divided 1 is equal to 10. Let's turn to the next one, which is question 4. Here, fraction. As we know, you have to write it the same. And to convert the mixed number to fraction. How? Right, by writing the same denominator. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2 is 5. Then you cancel. Cancel the common factor between numerator and denominator. Divide 3, 1, divide 3, 1. Divide 5, 1, divide 5, 2. Supposed to be 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Here we have to do is the same. 2, 7 is the same, because it's a fraction only. Here write 4, the same denominator. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 3 is equal to 35. This one 7. Have to change it like that. Cancel 2 and 4. Divide 2, 1. Divide 2, 2. Divide 7, 1. Divide 7, 5. 5 times 1.